Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Every time I record a video I feel like I'm saying it's been a long time coming, but I'm in my DIY era. So I have chicken wire, a foam block, and these little wire cutters. So the wire cutters, the gloves, and the chicken wire all came in a kit together on Amazon, which I will link down below. And I also got the foam floral blocks on Amazon as well, and I will also link those. So as you can see, I began just kind of wrapping it around the foam block. I have a cardboard piece down on the floor because things do get pretty messy. If you're working with the floral foam, it kind of sheds a little bit. And I have my knee to sort of hold the chicken wire, or that's what it's called, chicken wire, while I cut it completely. I didn't get it all the way across, but I ended up just using some zip ties real quick because this will be the back of the arrangement anyways, so it doesn't really matter. So I took some scissors and started cutting off the extra ends of those zip ties, and I took my wire gloves, which, you know, prevents the poking of your hands and all that. I started folding down the ends like a present and then kind of folding the bottom of it up, as you can see there. And I saw that there was just a bunch extra on the ends, so I did end up cutting off a little bit off each end. Here are the florals that I used for this project. I have the Lings Moment floral box. I think it's like sunset terracotta is what the actual color is called. So I have eucalyptus, ficus or ruscus, leaves from Amazon, which I'll link down below. I have pampas as well. So I'll just link, most of my florals I got off Amazon, but I'll link them down below. I really want to create this sort of L shape for this arch arrangement that I'm wanting to do. I cut off some stems from the big ficus or ruscus leaves, and I just used the smaller stems and started with those. And then in the end, you'll see that I do end up adding whole ruscus leaves, like the whole stem itself, instead of just the smaller stems, because I wanted a more full effect. But I just started layering the smaller stems on top of each other in this L shape. Once I got my greenery like I wanted it, I added in a eucalyptus stem that was pretty long just in one of the sides, and later on you will see that I cut the eucalyptus and add in smaller elements once I put the colorful flowers in there. But I decided to cut the long stem florals and just, you know, make them short so that they can just go in the floral foam really easily. And you will see coming up that I did make a time lapse of me putting all of this together, but I started with the bigger flowers and I kind of put them opposite of each other in this diagonal fashion, and then I just kind of added in the other terracotta flowers just wherever I seemed fit. And then I did add some small, like really small stems of the ruscus leaves in between the flowers, and I also added in these really fake looking baby's breath, but I think it actually turned out pretty good. Even though they don't look real, I kind of like the pop of white in there. Then I added in the long stems of the like kind of tan colored pampas grass, which I thought really added a different texture to the arrangement that I liked. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it. This only really took like 20-30 minutes in total to create, and it was just a really fun project to do. It can be done for any arch or doorway that you're thinking of doing, and it's perfect for weddings or event decor. So thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye!